the whole thing continued. The American life grew larger and larger and larger, and the Yiddish progressive life grew smaller and smaller and smaller because, you know, in the 1930s was the real time when the Yiddish ferment was beginning to coalesce and things were getting prepared. In the 1940s, 50s, and 60s, it was tremendous, mostly in the 40s and 50s. By the 70s, it started to wane because the children weren't really speaking Yiddish. That hope and wish of continuity, America takes care of that, 1, 2, 3. These Hispanic people who are coming here now and Asian people who think that their children and their children's children and children are going to speak Korean or Chinese or whatever it is, forget about it. It's not going to happen. Not going to happen. Even my kids, who all took Yiddish, one is fluent. Sam was not fluent, but he could squeeze it out. Jack did very well in Yiddish, and Harry can understand some things, but even my kids are not, you know, Max knows it more. But, so if my kids don't, you know, although there are kids now in the part of the Yiddish life now run by Benjamin Schechter, all his children speak very well, and his sister's children speak very well, and they have a very strong commitment. But even there, another 2 generations or 3 generations, nope, sorry, it's not going to happen. Not in America. America does what America does. It focuses on popular culture. In America, popular culture is very important. And since most families don't understand that the real purpose of a family is to counteract popular culture, then, you know, there's no hope. There's no hope. Not just for Jewish, Yiddish-speaking children, even for Hebrew-speaking children or Hispanics or some of these Muslim families coming here speaking Arabic. You think that their great-grandchildren speak Arabic? Not a chance. That's what America does. They call it a melting pot, and the progressives on the left would say, that's ridiculous. America's not a melting pot. They're wrong. America is a melting pot. And pretty soon everything melts into English. Name the generations. It starts to melt into English. There's no stopping it. There is no stopping it. Because we're very affluent here, despite the fact that we have very poor people, many, but there's something about the hope of America, the thing that goes on in America, it just takes over. Just takes over.